have to go pee? And Andrew said,
No.
His father said very slowly and clearly, Andrew, do you have to go pee? And Andrew said,
No.
So they put Andrew in the car, fastened his seatbelt, and drove off. They had been driving for just 1 minute. And what do you think Andrew yelled? I have to go pee! So Andrew's father hurried him out of the... So Andrew's father said, Yikes! Oh no!
Said the mother.
Said the mother. Yikes! Said the father.
And the father said.
Oh, then the father said, Now Andrew, we'll stop right to the gas station and then you can go pee. And Andrew said,
I'm gonna pee right now.
Stopped the car. Screech! Andrew jumped out of the car and peed behind a bush. When they got to Grandma and Grandpa's house, Andrew wanted to go to play, but it was snowing and he needed the snow.
If Kay Norhook McDonald is in the building, could you come to the phone for an office call, please? Thank you.
Before they put him on the snowsuit, his mother and his father and his grandma and his grandpa all said, Andrew, do you have to go pee? And Andrew said,
No.
So they put on Andrew's snowsuit. It had 5 zippers, 10 buckles, and 17 snaps. It took them half an hour to get the snowsuit. Andrew walked out into the backyard, threw 1 snowball, and what do you think he yelled? I have to go pee! The father and the mother and the grandma and the grandpa all ran outside, got Andrew out of his snowsuit, and the father hurried him to the bath. Andrew came back down. They had a nice long dinner. And Grandma said, I must go make Andrew pet. He must be tired. And Andrew's mother went up to help him. Before they put Andrew into bed, the father and the mother and the grandpa and the grandma helped him change Andrew into pajamas. Mom, I got... Okay.
Just as in every home, this is a production.
Stand up, Andrew. Then they asked, Andrew, do you have to go pee? And Andrew said,
No.
So the mother gave him a kiss. What? And the father gave him a kiss. And the grandma Just wait, said the mother. He's gonna yell and say, I have to go pee. The father and the mother said at the same time, he's driving us crazy. The grandmother said, I've never had these problems with my children. They waited for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and what do you think he yelled?
Oh, wet my bed.
So the mother and the father and the grandma and the grandpa all changed Andrew's bed and Andrew's pajamas.
Just for them. We only have one.
Then the mother gave him a kiss, and the father gave him a kiss, and the grandma gave him a kiss, and the grandpa gave him a kiss. All the grown-ups went downstairs. They waited for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And from upstairs, Andrew yelled,
Grandpa, do you go pee?
why, yes, I think I do. So they both went to the bathroom and peed in the toilet. Come on, you. I mean, Andrew. And Andrew did not wet his bed again that night. Not even once. The end.